Happy Monday, March 5th, Castle family. This is Katrina Amanda with this week's Castle Communication. Starting with our updates, our ELA interim and STAR assessment window is still open, but closes on March 9th. For the ELA interim, make sure you're using the turnaround protocol that all 4 schools will be using. And then we will send out a revised interim analysis protocol for you sometime this week.
All right, and then an update on our drill. Everyone did an excellent job following the earthquake and evacuation procedures. Our emergency teams did a great job of communicating, doing first aid, and search and rescue. We did have a missing class, 6 missing students, and 2 staff members, but they were all found. We will do an emergency debrief with the teams just to look for gaps in our process and to keep improving the way we respond in an emergency.
Last Friday was our Chat Latte with the principals. We had the biggest turnout yet with approximately 30 parents on campus. We conducted a Q&A session to get input from parents, and we also introduced staff members. We introduced Shannon and Tony last week, and then we were also able to take the parents into some classrooms. So we went into Carolina Ollis's and Becky Baker's classrooms. So thank you so much for allowing us to come in, and we look forward to the next Chat Latte in April.
And then family STEAM night reminder, that will be next Wednesday, March 14th from 5 to 6:30. You'll be time carded an hour for prep and 1.5 hours for the event. Please let us know what your activity is. One should be in your specialist lab and one will be in the NPR. Again, you have $100 for reimbursement for your grade level. Make sure you turn in those receipts. And then again, we'll also be serving pie courtesy of trustee member JP Lake.
We are preparing for Extended Day Quarter 4. Those applications will be in boxes this week. Please turn them in by Friday so we can start organizing our flyer to send home to parents. We will be doing registration next Friday, March 16th from 5 to 6:30 p.m. And again, it will be first come, first serve. And then Extended Day Quarter 4 starts when we come back from spring break on April 3rd.
All right, and then Coast to Coast Soccer will continue to be on campus 3 days this week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please remind your students to attend the soccer program during lunch and reflect to see if it is making a difference. We did say we'd send out new signups last week, but we did not get a chance to do that, so look for that this week.
Tomorrow, we will be honoring our students during our awards ceremony. Make sure your packet is complete and turned into Destiny. We will meet at 8:30 on the blacktop for honorable nights. At 9 o'clock, we will see 3rd and 4th grade in the multipurpose room. At 9:35, we will see 5th and 6th grade. At 10:10, 1st and 2nd grade. And at 2 o'clock, we will see our kindergartners.
All right, and this Wednesday, March 7th, is our leadership team meeting at 3:20 in the PDC. We will be looking at our 90-day plan. We'll be hearing recommendations from the UVA team that was out last week, as well as Ivan Alba, and prepare a presentation for the staff meeting.
All right, it is that time to start preparing for Summer STEAM and Summer Success. On March 8th, employment applications will be available for those 2 programs. Summer STEAM will run 9 days, June 5th through the 15th at Castle for only Castle students. And then Summer Success will run June 5th through the 29th, and that program will be at Stein Elementary.
All right, and then we do have a STEAM Advisory Board meeting on March 8th. This is the board that helps us connect our program to what's going on in junior high, high school, college, and career. It consists of several community members and educators. That will be at 1:30 here at Castle. We may walk classrooms and inspire labs.
Now for our shout outs. A big thank you to all the emergency drill team members for their communication during the drill, the inventory of supplies, and then also giving us feedback so that we can continue to make the process better.
Shannon Hilton, thank you for organizing the missing and injured during the drill. We appreciate all your extra work with that.
A big thank you to Mrs. Dietz's class, student council, and Misty Higgins for acting out the emergency drill scenarios so our first aid and search and rescue could practice their skills.
And then thank you, teachers, for signing up for the math walkthroughs with Ivan and the coaches. We appreciate you allowing everybody in your classrooms.
And then a thank you to Jamie, Emilio, Jill, Crystal, Michelle Hoover, Lauren, and Ashley for their support during last last week's board meeting when Katrina and I did the state of the school.
And then finally, thanks to Jen Benek, Jen Cozy, and Char for taking additional students on Friday due to our sub shortage. All right, everybody, thanks for listening. Keep in mind our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture.